Racing just started with air of distinction. Very quickly at the start, moving Zenyales, Mamika is on the outside. Quick Storm down on the inside is Wheel of Fame. Next online now is Senorita Monique. Pure Motion comes next, Silver Glades. Then down on the outside now is entry number 6, and this one is Quick Storm. And going along for the first turn, we have Air of Distinction by about half length. Senyales in second. Moving up now on the outside is Mamika. In the middle portion comes Quick Storm. Pure Motion. Down on the inside is Wheel of Fame. Senorita Monique. Silver Glades comes next. Then next on line is Magisterium. Go Bini. Then followed over by entry number 3. And this one is Flying Arrow. When at our turn, we have Air of Distinction by our length and a half. Pure Motion in second. Moving up now, Warriors. There is Senyales. Racing in fourth now is Wheel of Fame. And as they race the final corner, we have entry number 9, Air of Distinction. This time, the Rose Clear by about 6 lengths. Senyales in second with about 100 meters of that is with Air of Distinction, maintaining 8 lengths lead, and finally it's Air of Distinction. Senyales, then comes close finish with Go Vini. And number 10, Pure Motion.